Hey, we are going to do a hypnosis session for creative abilities and tapping into your subconscious mind. Isn't that awesome? All right. Um, I think we're all very creative individuals, but some of us more than others need to tap into it. And through the power of the subconscious, we can do this. I have to admit this is my third time doing this. The first time I did this video, I recorded it, but it didn't save. And then the second time, dumb me, and I was right at the end, the phone rang. So, um, but my ringer's off. I am expecting a call, but it will light up, so it's fine. Not that that has anything to do with expanding your creative abilities. Just showing my human side. What I'd like you to do is make sure all noise items are shut off. Your phone, your TV, radio, and whatnot, and we can begin. What I'd like you to do is just take in a big deep breath and let it out, allowing your eyes to close down all the way relaxed shut. Feeling so good, so calm, and so relaxed. And from this point on, with each breath you take, just hear a voice inside your mind saying, more deeply relaxed. With each breath you take, more deeply relaxed. That's right. And I just want you to just send a wave of relaxation from your head down through your neck, down through your shoulders, your arms, your elbows, your wrists, your hands, and your fingers, letting go totally of all tension, stress, and anxiety in those body parts. And just allow that relaxation to flow into your back, your entire back. That's right. Your entire back. Your spinal cord. The sides of your body. Allowing your mind to relax as well as we relax your body. And relax your chest and your stomach. Feeling so loose and so limp, as if you were a handful of rubber bands. Relax your waist, your bottom, your pelvic region, feeling such ecstasy already of relaxation. Relaxing your thighs down to your knees, into your calves, down through your ankles, into your feet and each and every toe. So loose, so limp, and so relaxed. So loose, so limp, and so relaxed from head to toe. Now, in a moment, I'm going to have you open and close your eyes. But you will not open your eyes until I say the word open, and you will not close your eyes until I say the word close. And each and every time You close your eyes. You go deeper into a hypnotic trance than you were the moment before. So open now. Close twice as hypnotized. Open. Closed. So very, very in trance. And once more, open and close. Sinking, drifting, dreaming. So deeply, deeply relaxed, so comfortable, feeling excellent. You're doing very good. Just allowing your subconscious mind to hear all suggestions that I give you. I just want you to know that you are a creative individual, whether it be in art or music, performing, whatever it is that you create. Your mind, your subconscious mind is now tapping into the superconscious mind, so that from this point, your creative abilities will intensify day by day. And the more you listen to this, the more creative you will become, allowing the ultimate mind of this universe flood your mind with such creative abilities. And you now just become one with your creative self. And your creative self is actually your subconscious. That's where our creative abilities come from. That's where our imaginative abilities come from. So each and every time you want to create something, just close your eyes and really envision what it is you want to create. And just meditate on it for a few minutes and then open your eyes and get to the task at hand. That is whatever you want to create. And now I'm going to count from 1 to 5. When I reach the number 5, you will be 3 times more alert, awake, energized, feeling refreshed, ready to take on the day, but feeling so peaceful and relaxed. 1, 2, your thoughts coming to you into your surroundings. 3, taking in a big deep breath. And as you let it out, stretching your body. 4, feeling positive all over. And 5, eyes open, wide awake. Now go and create something, you silly little freak. All right, God bless.